Want to go on a brain venture? Watch this video to learn how it works. All you have to do is click on your link and your brain venture will open in a new tab. If you're a first-time user, you will be asked to sign in with Google. Simply click on Sign in with Google and choose your account. You might also be asked to give Google permissions. Click Allow to continue. Once you've logged in, you're in your very own brain venture. You will notice this is your own personal copy because your name is going to appear on the upper green bar. To get started, simply click on the activity you want to do. Once you do that, a bar will open on the left. Read the instructions or listen to them by clicking on the audio icon.
What is BrainVentures?
To do the activity, click Launch Activity, the blue button on the bottom, and it will open in a new tab. Once you've completed your activity, go back to your BrainVenture by clicking on the previous tab. Click Complete, the green button at the bottom, press anywhere else in the map, and you can keep going by clicking on a different activity. Don't worry though, you can always go back and forth between activities by simply clicking on them again. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great venture.